Welcome to FAD Tutorial. In this video I will teach you how we can make this saddle design in SolidWorks. So saddle is actually using for holding the heat exchanger. So this is one of my project which I have done in my past. So I am using the technical engineering drawing for this purpose. In this drawing you will see that all the part details, all the dimensions, all the details are explaining here. So we are using one by one to model each part and try to assemble in assembly portion of the SolidWorks. So let's go to the tutorial and start the video. So the first part we model is this wheel shaft. So this quantity is mentioned as two quantity required, and this is the dimension 50, and here you see that this is the tolerance and this is the surface finish. So open the SolidWorks and model it. Go to the file, new part. Okay, select the front plane, sketch a circle. Go to the sketch again, smart dimension. The radius is 50, so its die is 50. Okay, go to the feature, extrude command, and it is 160. Try to make it mid plane. Okay, because in the future we will use the mid reference. Okay, so save it. So try to save this model. Go to the other part, and this is part design, and save as wheel shop. So the next part we will model is wheel. So this is we model it, so two number of quantity we required. So we will try to make this half of the portion, and then we use revolve command. So this dimension we're using 200, so make it half 100. So go to SolidWorks, file, new, select the part, front plane, sketch, draw reference line, center reference line. So this is our center reference line. Draw a rectangle. Okay, and select. So this portion is 25 and this is 200, so make it half. Smart dimension, make it 100. Okay, and this dimension is 25. Okay, go to the sketch again, and this width is 75, so select 75. Okay, and the next portion, which is radius of fillet, is R12. So go to the SolidWorks, select sketch, fillet, the quantity is 12. Okay, the fillet is applied. So the next portion we will model it is this portion, 26. So go to the sketch, draw a circle in the mid, go to sketch, smart dimension, this is 26. Okay, select, go to sketch, trim command, remove this portion. Okay, and go to the feature and revolve base command. So our wheel part is ready. Go to the file, save as wheel. So the next portion we will model it is this trolley base plate. So its dimension is 854 millimeter long and 25 millimeters thickness, and 450 millimeter is width. So open the SolidWorks and draw this one. So go to the file, new, part, select the top plane, sketch rectangle. Okay, its dimension is 85. Sketch smart dimension, its dimension is 854, and this is 450. For the feature extrude, its dimension is 25. Okay, select the top plane again, this top plane, sketch. So for this time we will model this holes which is mentioned here. It is diameter is 42 and the distance is 97 and this distance is 80. Okay, so select draw a hole, circle, sketch smart dimension is 42 and the distance from this end to this end is 97 and distance from this end to distance is 80. Sketch linear sketch pattern and we select this one, and if you see the distance from this portion is 347 and this portion is 128 plus 128, so 347 and the quantity is 3 and this there quantity is 2, swipe, and the distance is 128 plus 128. Okay, so features extrude cut, introduction to thrower. Okay, so this is our plate. So save as, file, save as Trolley base plate. So we will use this plate for upper portion and also for the lower portion. So for this plate we will use for the upper portion, and for here we will draw this beam. So this beam, it is mentioned here as 150 multiplied by 30. So I get its dimension from the internet, but you will also there is a table in AutoCAD, so you will get the details how its dimension will be, just like that. And also I will give you the steel books in which its dimension is also mentioned. So in the SolidWorks, select the plane, go to the sketch and draw a center line as a reference. This is our center line. Okay, and go select the midpoint line. Okay, and after that then select the line, and this portion we select. Okay, so this and this is make equal. Okay, with a smart dimension 153. Okay, and the height from here to here is 158. Okay, 158 and 153, and the distance 9.30. so select all, so select this one, 9.30. okay, so select this and this to be equal. Okay, so go to sketch smart dimension, and here it is 6.60. so half is from here, 3.30 of this portion, 3.30 of this portion. Okay, and here if you see, this is the radius fillet or 6.30. so sketch fillet So select this one. Sorry, this line we select. So it is 6.30. 6.30. Okay, so our beam is ready now. So if you see, if I open the drawing, if you see, this is the distance from one and other end, 347. So we select the model and we use linear sketch pattern, and this is our model. First of all, we need to select this model. So we select this one, and this one we don't need. We select to the linear sketch pattern, and so we need 3 1. Okay, and the distance is 347. Okay, you see that there's a one difference here, but we will check the distance. 348 we can suggest, so it will be match. Okay, and now we use extrude command, features, extrude base, and you see that is the distance is almost 1570. This is a digit, so we will try to make it half. Around we will use around 1200. So because the rest of the part will be extruded cut, so I will use 1000. Okay, and just make it okay, and this portion is ready now, and we select the front plane. Okay, and dry sketch, and if you see this plate distance is, this is 112 thickness plate, so its radius is radius is 783 plus 12. So this is the radius. So we will draw a circle. We select the sketch circle. I will suggest to draw a central line first. So I will select this is my center. Okay, and this is a circle. Radius is R 783 plus 12. 783 plus 12. 795. Okay, so smart dimension. Okay, so this is the order. If you go there, you see this is the dimension 1570. So go to smart dimension, one five 70. Okay, so features, extrude, cut. So through all both we need to cut this area. So our beam is cut it like that. So this is our top plate. This plate is ready now, so we'll save it. File, save as trolley base plate upper. So the next part we will draw this trolley base plate. We already has the base plate design, so we will draw it in SolidWorks. So in this part we will draw this portion and this portion, and this detail of this wheel side plate is here. Okay, so 4 quantity is required. So open the SolidWorks, go to the file, open the trolley base plate, and we will use the downside. So select this portion. So this portion will draw the sketch. So for the first reference, so we will draw a reference geometry, because here if you see the distance is 18. So first of all we'll draw a reference geometry. Go to the features, reference geometry plane, and this plane is drawn. So I put 18 and flip the offset. So this is our plane where we create the model. So I select this plane and select search sketch and go to the center line, and this is our center point. Okay, and select midpoint line. Okay, and select the center line again. Okay, so if the dimension you see it is 200, so go to sketch smart dimension, and this dimension is 200. Okay, make sure select this, and this should be equal. You can check here, it should be equal 100. Okay, and the dimension here it is 146. So smart dimension 146. Okay, and we will draw a circle R25 and R77. So sketch circle R25 and R77. Okay, just get smart dimension. This is 154. Okay, 50. Both are okay now. So I'll draw a line and make a, here if you see, if you go there you will see a tangent point. So this is the tangent. Close again, select this line. If you see, here is tangent. Close. So sketch trim entities. So we trim this area. Okay, go to the features, extrude, and reverse it. It is 25 mm width. Here you see that this is 25. Okay, and this portion is okay now. And if you see here, you see that this is 13 is this area. So there is a chamfer here. So this detail is 13. So make a chamfer. So if you open the calculator, so 25 minus 13, 12. So 6 on each side. So go to the sketch features, and there's the portion name as chamfer. So we will select all, and this side also. Okay, and the distance is 6. Okay, angle is 45. It's normal. So this detail is okay now. So the next part is close this one, open the drawing. You see there's another wheel side plate. So the distance is 135. So if you open the calculator again, so 135 divided by 2, so 67.5. So this is the mid. So I open the drawing, so select this again, go to the features, and here is a plane, reference plane. So with this reference it is 67.5, and make it flip. Okay, and we will select this portion both, and go to the feature, mirror, and we will select the reference plane. This is the reference plane, and okay. So this portion is ready now. If you see, we also have the other side, so we will use the mirror again. But if you see, the dimension is 347 plus 80, so total 84 is there. So open the calculator again, 854 divided by 2, 47. So we will select this and this part, go to the reference geometry plane again, and 427. Okay, and flip the offset, so it should be on center. And now we will select this all portion, go to the features, mirror, and select this plane, and okay. See, our bottom portion is ready now. So you will check if any detail is missing. So yeah, most of the thing is covered. So we will save this part. So file, save as, bottom. So the next part we will design is this movable part of this portion area. So it is a base plate. So open the SolidWorks and we will draw it. So file, new part, select the front plane, sketch, draw a circle, draw again one circle, sketch smart dimension. So this dimension is R783. So before proceeding the dimension, we'll draw a center line as a reference. Okay, and we'll draw a center line again. Okay, and go to the features and trim entities. We'll remove that area. We will also add one line, solid line. Okay, so go to the sketch, smart dimension. So this is 783, and the next dimension is plus 12. So 783 plus 12, 795. And if you see, the distance from this end to this end is 40. So we will have this to be half, should be 20. Okay, and we use offset entities. It should be 20 because here its width is 20. Okay, so offset entities should be 20, and it should be in reverse direction. Okay, and select the this portion to be filled. Okay, time entities, we need to delete this one and this one also, this one also. To fill this area, sketch, smart dimension. So this is okay now. So if you see here, it is 120. So sketch, smart dimension, 120. Okay, and now we will use features, extrude base, and if you see, its width is 300. So 300 by mid plane. Okay, draw this portion of this holes, so then mirror will be, so we will not draw on the other side, so we will draw this holes. So is this dia is here, it is mentioned 26 and the distance is 80. So select this portion, go to the sketch, we will draw a center reference line. So go to the sketch, select circle, so make equal, go to the smart dimension, so 26 is the dia, so the distance from this end to this end is 80, and distance from this end is also 80. So go to the features, extrude cut through all. Okay, so now we will do mirror. Go to features, mirror, right there. Okay, so this portion is ready, so we will do mirror again. So select all, features, mirror, but this time we will select body, not faces, and merge solid, not to be uncheck this one, and reference plane is to be top plane. Okay, so our this portion of the plate is ready now, so we save it, circular plate. Next part, we will design this round bar, which is a 25 dia and 100, and this is the channel. We will draw both. So select, go to the SolidWorks, open new part, select the front plane, sketch, and we will draw a rough sketch. Okay, and we will draw this. Okay, and sketch smart dimension, this is 100 and this is 50. Okay, and this dimension, it is around 12.5. make it equal. Okay, and The dimension here is also, it is a so this is almost 12.5. Okay, so this is our channel, and roundabout is here. So sketch central line, smart dimension 25, dia, sketch smart dimension, so make it 25. Okay, so select features, extrude all the portion, and it should be mid plane and 11,000. So this is very long, so we will, for the sake, call this long. Okay, file, save as. Long channel. So all of our, as per this drawing, all of our parts are modeled in SolidWorks. So we will assemble this drawing like that. So it looks like, as if you see, it looks like that, holding this exchanger. So open the SolidWorks, file, new, assembly. So open all the parts. So open all the parts just like that, place in here. Okay, so now the portion, move to near each other. This upper plate not required, so yes, delete it. So we will make this area, select this one and select this one, mate. Okay, so we will make it near. So this is length is 300 and its length is 450, so difference is 150. So this portion should be, so distance of this one is 75. So mate again, delete, select face and this face and make a distance 75. Okay, nice, close, and make this portion and this portion mate, should be aligned. So we will move this one to near this area. Okay, so distance from this side to this edge, this side to this side, mate. So it should be distance 125. Okay, and distance from this to this. Okay, distance from this to this. Okay, so I book 125 because if you see the drawing here, it is 125. Okay, this portion is ready now, and now we will use these tools, this end to be made. Okay, and here this end to be made. Okay, select again. We will just a little bit move. Okay, so we will select duplicate using control, remake, remake. Okay, so select again, this portion and this portion. Actually, we need to select this portion and this portion. Okay, now it's made perfectly. So select the top portion. This area, this area. Okay, just so all of the things are done. So you will do the same thing on the other side. So I will just copy paste. Okay, do the same thing. So we'll try to match. So this design is okay now. So we will copy and paste the all three. Control, control, control. Select this mate, this portion mate. Okay. Okay. So we'll select this portion. Select this portion. So it is done.